To move a document to a folder or a project, there is now a new Move To option in the document menu. This allows you to move the document to another folder or project while it is open without having to leave the document. In order to display complex geometries on a drawing in the best possible way, section views can now be generated from auxiliary views. To hide unnecessary edges in a drawing view, there is now a new option in the View Context menu to hide or show edges. This is often useful to display more complex parts in a simpler and clearer way in order to avoid errors in production. In order to create precise section views, there is now a new option in the Section View menu under Angular to specify the angle value of the cutting line. All you have to do is select one point on the drawing view through which the cutting line should run at a specified angle.